Hello everyone, in today's video we will discuss about pathology. Pathology is the scientific study of changes in the structure and function of the body in disease. The word pathology is derived from the Greek words pathos means suffering and logos means study of. Pathology consists of the abnormalities in the normal anatomy and normal physiology due to any disease condition. Another commonly used term with reference to study of disease is pathophysiology. It is the study of disordered functions, that is, physiological changes and biochemical changes. As it is the study of abnormal anatomy and abnormal physiology, so to understand this subject, firstly, we must have the deep knowledge of the subjects like human anatomy and physiology. Knowledge and understanding of pathology is essential for all would-be doctors, specialists, and general medical practitioners. Because unless they have the knowledge and understanding of the scientific basis of disease and the language used in pathology lab reports, they would not be able to treat patient and prevent disease, which are the two ultimate goals of all doctors. Since pathology is the study of disease, then what is disease? Disease is loss of ease or comfort to the body. It is opposite of health. Health is a state of complete physical, psychological and social well-being of a person, not just the absence of any disease. It may be defined as a condition of a person where he or she is enjoying a state of complete well-being, maintaining the sensations and functions of the body with ease and comfort without any complaints with the surroundings. In short, it is the harmonious state of ease and comfort. On the other hand, disease or illness means a condition marked by pronounced deviation from the normal healthy state. It may be caused by external factors such as pathogens or by internal dysfunctions. It is generally associated with certain signs and symptoms. Disease can affect people not only physically but mentally also. For the student of any system of medicine, the discipline of pathology forms a vital bridge between initial learning phase of preclinical sciences and the final phase of clinical subjects. What is the purpose of learning pathology? The role and significance of learning pathology in clinical medicine is quite well summed up by Sir William OSLER, who is regarded as father of modern medicine, by his famous quote, "Your practice of medicine will be as good as your understanding of pathology." Human pathology is studied under two broad divisions: general pathology, dealing with general principle of disease. This is followed by learning of systematic pathology, which includes study of disease pertaining to the specific organ and body systems. We will talk about common terms for study of disease in the next video.